Hi, Faten. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a local digital marketing agency out of Michigan. And I am just shooting this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So I found you on Facebook. I'm here. A couple things I would highly suggest as a realtor, if you're trying to get more exposure, to put a hyphen here and then realtor. That way, people when they're searching, they're going to go, oh, okay, she's a realtor. They're going to know. I think I saw you had a Twitter account or something like that. But either way, I would highly suggest putting realtor after your name to help people see that, get you more exposure. Also, I didn't see that you had a website. It does show that you work for Keller Williams Advantage Realty, but it doesn't look like you have a website. So we're not going to use your website for this video because I don't know that you have one. So first of all, I would highly suggest getting one. You can build them yourself, or really they're not that much money compared to a home sale, and it's going to bring you value. So as long as you do it right. So the things we're going to talk about, we're going to as long as you implement them, are going to help you make some money using your website. So I'm actually going to use X1 Realty. This is a Farmington realtor for this website or for this video. But before that, we're going to talk about citations. So what a citation is, and actually, I don't know where you're out of. I know it's Southeast Michigan, but we're going to use Farmington for this video. And so I typed in Farmington, Michigan Realtors, okay? And this has to do with citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Farmington, Michigan Realtors. We got Bill West Realtor, we got Century 21 Hartford, and we got ERA Reardon. Okay, the thing I want to point out is that Bill West is a realtor, and I don't think he's a brokerage, but yet he has his own Google My Business page. So the thing to keep in mind is that you can have your own Google My Business page as a realtor. So I would highly suggest getting one. Even if you're not a broker and you don't have your own brokerage, you can still have a Google My Business page. And obviously, Keller Williams Advantage, where your brokerage is, it didn't pull up. So I don't know how many people are coming through your Keller Williams website and going, hey, Faten, I found you through your website. But I don't think very many. So I would highly suggest getting your own Google My Business page. So for this video, we're going to use Bill West's Google My Business page. So this is an example of what one looks like. I'm sure you've seen them before. Couple things. If you're worried about an address, I know a lot of people are, you can remove the address. So either A, use your brokerage's address for your office, if they will allow you, or B, use your home for the Google My Business profile, but then hide it. So there's actually a setting in there that you can hide your address. So if that's of concern. But either way, we recommend 25 reviews. So Bill West has 3 reviews, but yet he's #1 for Farmington, Michigan Realtor. So very important. But we recommend 25 reviews. And then you got to remember, as far as content goes, you want to make sure that you have minimum 10 photos. So Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words, it's also the photos. So just think of it that every photo that you post on your website or on the internet or anywhere, search engines read how it's saved. So obviously, if it's saved as what the computer came up with, which is usually just random letters and numbers, then it's actually not going to do you any good or bring you any value. You want to make sure that all your photos are saved with good content that is going to be read by search engines and help you make some dough. So if we go here, this is going to bring us to Bill's website. So this is just a basic example of a website. You can have your own, and you got sellers, our homes, what my home's worth, our agents, all those types of things. So the last thing is backlinks we're going to talk about. What a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. So you don't have a website yet. Once you get a website, you're going to have backlinks to it. So you want the thing you want to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. So as you can see, Bill West, his domain is x1realty.com. He's got 17 backlinks from 9 referring domains, but yet his domain rating is only a 9. So like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want them coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. The more backlinks, powerful backlinks you have, the higher your domain rating is. This is out of 100, 9 out of 100. The higher your domain rating, the more power you have, the more visible you're going to become. So the more content you provide to the world using your site, the more valuable you appear to these search engines, and the more visible they're going to make your website become, which means more people are going to find you, they're going to click on it, they're going to call you, they're going to list your house, they're going to sell your house through your website. So that's backlinks, content, citation, and backlinks. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks, get yourself a website, build it right, and make you some more money this upcoming season. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.